People are literally paying thousands to learn AI and data skills, and you are out here scrolling not knowing Google is giving it to you for free. Let's be real, courses on AI, data, and development cost around 5,000, 10,000, and even 50,000, and half the time there is no structure, no proof, no real outcome. But what if I tell you you can learn the same skill from an official source and actually get something valuable in return? This is coming directly from Google itself. They have called a learning pathway and will cover everything in detail. So make sure you like the video and share the video with everyone whosoever needs it. Also hype the video too. So we are talking about the learning pathway for developers and it is open for anyone. Here you'll be getting multiple pathways, whether you want to learn about AI, data, web, follow a clear roadmap on official badges and showcase your skills. So let me just show you some of the things. So you can see here we have multiple options, whether you want to learn design, whether you want to learn e-commerce, whether you want to learn about education, enterprise, cloud, big data, all the courses are there. And there are various types of categories also, like beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So you can filter all from here. For example, you must be knowing about cloud, so you can just check the cloud courses over here, like how you can add Firebase to your app, how you can develop locally with Firebase, all the things over here regarding Gemini. Also, if you want to learn more about AI and machine learning, you can check the AI courses. All you have to sign in with your Gmail account or Google account, and from here just select any of these courses. So when you click on it, you'll see multiple things are there, like there'll be some articles, some question answers, and at last there'll be a quiz. You have to take the quiz, and once you completed the quiz, you'll be getting the badge directly. One more important thing, if it asks you to sign in, you can sign in with the same Gmail account. So these are the things you can check it out. Okay. Multiple events are also there. For example, the GenAI Academy App Edition is also there, which will help you to learn more about AI agents. If you want to know more about separate events, how to participate in the arcade program, how to participate in the GenAI Academy program, you can just check out all the videos I've linked in the description. You can from there check it. Also in the pinned comment, I have covered all those videos. So this was the quick video I wanted to share regarding this amazing opportunity. Thank you and have a great day ahead.